Begin today with a spike in local coronavirus cases here in San Diego. 109 new cases, and it's also been the deadliest day here locally since the outbreak began, with 15 new deaths to report. That brings the total to 87 amidst this pandemic. Overall, we've had more than 2,400 positive cases. Today's report, the highest daily jump in more than 2 weeks. To this point, more than 1,300 people, though, have recovered from the virus. In addition to the new numbers, county leaders also talked today about the criteria that they will use to consider when to lift restrictions here in San Diego. And our Jamie Chambers starts us off live from Kearny Mesa with the details on that. Jamie.
Yeah, Andrew, it's a really rough day for the statistics of this coronavirus and the fight that the county is putting up against it, but it's also looking to the future. They always take care of those tough moments first, and this is what Supervisor Nathan Fletcher had to say.
Today we are reporting, unfortunately, the single highest number of deaths since the start of the COVID crisis, 15 new deaths reported today. We're also reporting 109 new positive cases, which is our highest daily total reported in more than 2 weeks. We have repeatedly stressed that we don't make decisions based on one day of data. We want to look at larger trends. But today's numbers are a sobering reminder that we must remain vigilant, that we are not out of this yet.
While the county faced its worst coronavirus day on record, they're also keeping an eye on a phase 1 reopening. What it would take is 5 capabilities: testing and tracing abilities, the capability to prevent the at-risk and vulnerable populations from infection, ample hospital spaces for surging numbers of infections, physical distancing successes, and the rapid ability for the county to give a stay-at-home order again if needed. If those controls are in place and the metrics all trend down, the county will start to reopen again.
This approach will begin with parks, trails and beaches, water sports, boating, golf courses, basketball, and tennis courts, as well as other open spaces with certain restrictions, including face covering and social distancing.
County officials praised nearly all San Diegans for their sacrifices and following the stay-at-home order, but they said the protests of dozens of people could set San Diego back in a very dangerous way.
While we see calls to immediately open things, while we see large gatherings out together in public, we have to continually be reminded that the progress and actions that we've taken thus far, the sacrifices that have been made, have been designed to flatten and lower the curve, to lower the rate of transmission, to lower the number of cases, to lower the number of deaths, to lower the number of hospitalizations. And that is what is going to give us the foundation that we can build upon to come out.
And it's worth noting that county officials say out of those 15 deaths, 14 did have prior existing conditions and added to the complications in their cases. But moving forward, they are worried that the trend that we had been seeing flatten out and start to decrease has now shifted, so they're going to be watching that trend very closely. They also said that a one-day spike is not something to immediately be worried about, but they will be looking for those trends to make decisions about opening or keeping the stay-at-home order in place.